Hello and welcome to Trading Lessons with me, Bharat Mutkal. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a unique trading strategy which uses just two indicators and it can make incredible profit. It can catch really big moves easily. And the success rate is also very high. You'll see two indicators over here, one at the bottom and one over here. The bottom indicator gives the sell or the buy signal. Let's start with the latest signal. We got this signal over here. After that, the market was beaten down brutally. Here we got a buy signal, after which the market moved up really well. Over here we got a sell signal, then again the market went down. We got a buy signal over here and the market moved up. Over here there was a mix up because the market was range bound, but the thing that you have to note here is that this red area, the red highlighted area, indicates that the trend is downward. So we would not take this buy position. So there are two ways you can use this strategy. First, whenever there is a sell signal over here and the trend indicator indicates a bearish market, you can go short. The stop loss can be this level over here, which trails the market. So if you have short sold here, you can trail using this indicator as a trailing stop loss. If you have bought this here, you can trail using this indicator again as a trailing stop loss. The best option that I go for is to lock in my profits. For me, what works is to stick to a specific risk reward ratio, which with this strategy is 1.5. If you see here, we went short here, booked the profit here, and this was the stop loss. The risk reward ratio is 1.5. Over here, we went long, booked the profit here. This was the stop loss. Again, the risk reward ratio is 1.5. So this is something that you can do, but this is not the only thing that this strategy can do. This can give you really good support, resistance, and target levels. How? Let's see. If you have short sold here when this level was broken, you go find the previous end of the red line, which is here. This level will become really strong support. You can see this here, here, and here. So you can book profit here if you want. This can be your target. Let's take a look at another level over here. Okay, so you have short sold here. Then this over here can be your target level. Now this was a really long buy signal. This must have been very profitable. Anyway, so this is the basic idea of the strategy. Now let's say you go long over here. As soon as this level is crossed, you go long. What would be your target? This level where the green line ends previously, and this level was also reached. So this is the basic idea of how this strategy works. Now I'll tell you how to get these indicators. So the first indicator is the super trend indicator. You just have to go here in the indicators and look for super trend. This is the one that I use. I'll just add it to my favorites. And this one is the OTTO, Optimized Trend Tracker Oscillator. Now we need to modify these indicators to use it according to my strategy. So for the first one, the super trend, change the ATR period to 100, source will be HL2 and ATR multiplier will be 20. And for the auto indicator, OTT period is 2, OTT optimized coefficient is 1, fast vidya is 1, slow vidya length is 200. This is unchanged, everything else is unchanged. And this is the setup. Now I'm using 15 minutes time period. If you are using some other time period, you might want to change the properties and the input variables. Also, you may want to play with the settings a bit if you are using some another instrument, could be forex or cryptocurrency or any other market index for that matter. Just optimize it once. So this was the strategy that I have been using for a while now, and it has been getting me really good profits so far. Now, what do you think of this strategy? If you have any questions or comments, do let me know. Let's have a discussion around it. Until the next video, this is Bharat Mudgal signing off.